Developing now a critical situation for Catholic Community Services in Utah and its program to help refugees.
Now, due to the freeze in federal funding, they may be out of money by the end of this month. News specialist Dan Rascone has a story for us. He joins us now live. And Dan, time is running out here.
That's exactly right. Time is running out. If they don't get that money by the end of the month here, you could have hundreds of refugee families without housing, food, and services. That's why the Catholic Community Services is making a plea for help.
Catholic Community Services right now is in a dire situation for the funding.
Aiden Vitar is worried, very worried. As the Director of Refugee Services at Catholic Community Services in Utah, he's facing a huge dilemma: the possibility of running out of money by the end of the month.
Families will lose their housing, they might become homeless, and we already lost the 25 of our staff that we laid off.
The freeze in federal funding has to do with new directives by the Trump administration on refugees. They're hoping those funds will be freed up by April 20th. If that doesn't happen, then they have no way of continuing to help the 300 families they're overseeing.
We pay their rent this month, but we don't know how we're going to pay their rent next month.
It's a crisis they haven't faced since the organization of this program.
We have not, experienced what we're experiencing for 45 years that we have been doing this services.
We are really appreciate for that. Yeah, did a good service as usual.
Espor, who is a refugee from Uganda, says he doesn't know how his family would have made it in Utah without Catholic Community Services.
The assistance, the housing, and everything, that's really makes it all. Yeah, that makes like a refugee's life easier.
Yeah, that's why Catholic Community Services is making a plea there for the public's help, for any kind of donations or people who may want to volunteer. If you want to help out, go to our website, ksltv.com, click on this story, and there'll be a link to this, how you can help. Back to you guys in the studio.
They do so much good work, Dan. It's troubling to see this. Thank you.